Jimmy Buffett, fishing trips, snorkeling, pina coladas, and breathtaking sunsets. Key Largo, to most Floridians, is known for just these sort of things synonymous with a weekend getaway and relaxation. But crocodiles? Decommissioned nuclear missile silos? Nuclear power plant evacuation trails? Join City Highlights as we explore Key Largo, off the beaten path. Just 40 miles south of Miami, off of Card Sound Road, lies the 6,700 square mile brackish swamp, Crocodile Lake. This protected tropical canopy is home to thousands of American crocodiles, Burmese pythons, sharks, often mistakenly referred to as their more aggressive relatives, saltwater crocodiles. The American crocodile was given this vast preserve of land to recover their species from overhunting in 1975. At the time, there were only estimated to be roughly 200 left, and now there are nearly 2,000 in the state of Florida. While no fatal attacks are recorded in the U.S., we wouldn't recommend swimming with them. And nor should your dog. Number 2. Nike Missile Battery in Woolenweber Antenna Station. Heading south down Card Sound Road, drivers eagerly race to their vacation destinations, unknowingly passing artifacts of the Cold War, with time crumbling in the swamps just yards from the road. Hidden just feet from Card Sound Road is perhaps the biggest hidden secret in the Florida Keys. The South Florida Missile Defense installations with Hawk missile sites that provided an all-altitude defense capability around South Florida, and was also the last fixed air defense missile system to remain in operation in the continental United States. Using a Woolenweber antenna station, a circularly disposed antenna used by the military to triangulate radio signals for intelligence gathering. Further down the road, buried in the mangroves of Crocodile Lake National Park, remains the crumbling military facilities of the Nike missile site, formerly named HM-40. Number 3. Alabama Jacks. Anyone who has spent a significant amount of time in Key Largo or has been rerouted for holiday traffic has at least driven by the world-famous Alabama Jacks. More recently made popular by the Netflix series Bloodline. Panoramic views of mangrove canals, passing manatees, curious and hungry bird life are all seen from the deck of Alabama Jacks. A great place to stop in for a mahi burger, hear some local live musicians, or to grab one last cold one before exiting the Keys. Another ancient staple of Key Largo, the Caribbean Club. Here at the oldest bar in the Upper Keys, the former hotel and now bar inspired the Humphrey Bogart and Lauren Bacall film, Key Largo. The Caribbean Club served as a filming location for exterior shots, as well as another filming location used in the Netflix series Bloodline. Often lined with shiny motorcycles, dusty pickup trucks, and out-of-town license plates. The Caribbean Club is the quintessential dive bar, not seen many other places between Largo and Key West. Sunset views, locals, koozies, and t-shirts. Next time you're on US 1 headed to Key West or back to mainland Florida, don't pass the Caribbean Club. We have one more honorable mention after this, but sadly last on our list, and certainly not least, the Last Chance Saloon. We've heard for years that this is a place you just don't go. Biker gangs, criminals, drug dealers. But what we found instead, beekeepers, paranormal researchers, and fishermen? From the uncommonly nice bar staff, questionably cheap drinks, especially for the Keys, to the smoky pool table lounge, to the full-service liquor store. What's not to like? Unless smoke bothers you. But would you expect something else from a Roadhouse-style bar called the Last Chance Saloon? For those of you who watched all the way to the end, here's our 6th and final local spot off the beaten path. Robert is Here. Inconsistent with crocodiles, nuclear missiles, and biker bars, Robert is Here is a Homestead, Florida fruit stand turned local phenomenon. Lines out the door, fresh honey, produce, juices, and a petting zoo in the back, for the kids. Robert is Here is a stereotypically Florida produce stand that you have to visit next time you're in the area. That's all for this week's episode. Thanks for watching City Highlights Key Largo Edition. Subscribe to City Highlights for new episodes featuring South Florida and other local cities, and coming soon, we'll be featuring weekend getaways as well. Let us know in the comments where you'd like to go, how you like these lesser-known gems, as well as what you'd love to see featured in future episodes. City Highlights is a production of Eyes in the Skies.